Instagram story loading problem. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve the Instagram story loading problem, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually fix if your Instagram stories are not basically loading at all, there are a couple of ways on how you can fix it. The first thing that you can try to do is long press the Instagram app icon, tap the I button to come to the app info page, then go to storage. Clear cache and make sure to clear the data. Remember that this will log you out of your account, by the way. Now once you've done that, open up your Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar, go ahead and then search for Instagram and check if the Instagram app has an update. If you see an update button there, update it to the latest version, which will hopefully help you fix some bugs. After that, make sure you're connected to a reliable internet connection. Then you can try to open up Instagram and you should be able to load those stories. This way you should be able to solve Instagram story loading problem. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.